Don't place that Amazon order just yet. Amazon's Prime Day sale is on July 16th and 17th, so if you time things right, you could score some serious savings. Here are some quick tips to shop Prime Day deals like a pro. First things first, you must have a Prime membership to participate in Prime Day sales. But if you don't have one, don't worry, there's a 30-day free trial. So you could technically sign up for that, get the sales, and then cancel it before the 30 days are up. Otherwise, a Prime membership will cost you $139 a year or $69 a year if you're a student. You will see plenty of items on sale during the main Prime Day event, but there are a few deals that'll take a little more work to get. They're called invite-only deals, and you'll see them marked with a red label. These are discounted items that Amazon expects will sell out quickly, so you can reserve it on sale ahead of time. Instead of the usual yellow add to cart button, it'll say request invite. And if your request is successful, Amazon will send you an email with a link to buy it when it goes on sale. The point of this is, again, to make sure you get the deal before it sells out. But you can change your mind. If you get the email from Amazon, you don't have to buy it. The number of deals invites sent out will depend on how many products Amazon has in stock. If your invite request is denied, you'll get an email explaining that too. You can only request one invite per product, but you can request invites to as many different deals as you want. So the big question, which invite-only deals are being offered? They are not easy to find. You can check the Amazon Prime Day sale page, or maybe you'll just stumble on one. They're invitation-only deals for Peloton bikes, and these Sony wireless headphones are going for about $36, which CNET named as one of the best on-ear headphones you can buy. I've personally tried these headphones and I really like them. They're lightweight, comfortable, they have decent sound, and a great battery life. And it's not just tech stuff. Amazon is advertising deal invites for 40% off a Speedo swimsuit bundle, up to 60% off a Citizen watch, and 58% off a Foreo Luna face washing brush. Now, there are also some deals that start before the main event. If you see something on sale now and can't wait until Prime Day, then go for it. These early deals will fluctuate, so don't be too hard on yourself trying to keep track of them all. I've put links to CNET articles in the description below to help you with the most up-to-date discounts we think are worth following. Once the Prime Day sale starts, my biggest pro tip is to quickly check the price history of a product before you buy it to make sure you're getting a good deal. And yes, there's a site designed just for checking Amazon prices. This is why I love the internet. It's called CamelCamelCamel, and it gives you an impressively detailed graph of a product's complete price history. So if something says it's on sale, this is how you'll know it's really a sale. Sometimes items have been discounted from their original list price for a year or longer, and it's hard to tell when you're caught up in the 2-day sale rush which is a new markdown and which items are always discounted. Now, there will be lots of deals floating around during Prime Day. It can be overwhelming and easy to forget what you even came to the sale for. You might end up buying some stuff you don't actually need. We've all been there. To set yourself up to stay on track, make a list of the products you want to try to get deals on ahead of time. You can also add these products to your Amazon wish list or save for later section so they're easy to find during the sale. And if you have Alexa devices, they can alert you if one of your saved products gets a price drop during Prime Day. How cool is technology? I also highly encourage you to check other retailers besides Amazon around this time. Many stores, including Walmart, Target, and Best Buy, compete with Amazon and host their own sale events, so be sure to browse to see if someone has a better discount somewhere else. Now, it is hard to keep track of all of the fluctuating deals and to know which retailer has the best sale, so keep checking CNET.com. Our crew is working hard to gather our favorite deals worth checking out. We got you. Happy shopping. Comment below what you want to get for Prime Day, and thank you so much for watching.